Hey Spirit Boosters, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Spirit Boosters, sorry for the interruption. My husband, he wanted some of those Frosted Flakes. So I had to open the Frosted Flakes and give him some breakfast. Sorry about that, you guys. But anyway, yeah, he wanted Frosted Flakes and he liked them Honey Smacks. You know, I like the Cheerios with the little B. Y'all see us poking behind the Martha White Wild Berry Muffin Mix. Let me set it down. See my little bee on my dang Honey Nut Cheerio. They saying a free snack well cereal snack bowl. Yeah, I bet you gotta buy 5 more boxes to get that. But anyway, you guys, what was I talking about? Was I saying thank you for continuing to share reports of what's happening in these stores on your store trips when you go to these grocery stores, and to any of these stores you guys go to when you share what's going on, give reviews about the stores, whatever, and so forth. And also thanks for sharing important info that helps out us preppers and people who stockpile, all that kind of good stuff goings on, carrying on, goings on, and what's happening in the area and more. And the more is whatever else you want to add to the situation. You want to share something else somewhere else, or where you at, anything good or whatever is going on, it's appreciated. A lot of Spirit Boosters in this community do read the comments, and they do appreciate you guys sharing your carrying on, goings on, and what's happening. So I know I do. And I am starting to get back into responding to y'all's comments. Now, if some of y'all may have noticed, I hadn't had time to put in my description box all my little information that I share there, because I have been doing a bunch of stuff, family stuff, so you know, took my time away. And also I hope to have time to keep putting in my information in my description box, because I want y'all guys to, you Spirit Boosters, my Spirit Boosters, us Spirit Boosters, to read my description box. And also remember, I keep telling you guys, check out the community tab, because that's where I'm going to be sharing, supporting other channels. So you, hey Spirit Boosters, today I told y'all earlier, I'm just adding more to this video, or it's separate, I don't know. But here go the fresh rolls I made, and they are tall and fluffy and light and juicy, buttery. Oh, I love it, but it's fattening as hell. And my ass, I need to slow down, because I'm not going to be able to fit my dang clothes. Some of them anyway. I'm buying bigger clothes. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around on me. Yeah, today I had cooked fresh dinner rolls. I cooked, some chicken, crispy chicken strips, sweet peas, some fresh mashed potatoes, and some fresh gravy, homemade gravy. But that's it for that. I'm just sharing the bread. I'm stuffed, but let me talk to y'all for a bit. And yes, you're gonna be staring at a bunch of junk. I'm sitting in the kitchen in front of the sink, and it's full of stuff, but that's what I'm not here for. You visiting me and not my junky kitchen. Okay, let's get started. Spirit Boosters, hey y'all, I'm making some of these Ida spuds that I got from Sam's Club. You just put them in hot water, which I did. Now I'm draining the water out, and then you're gonna fry it. I'll show you that in a minute. Hash brown spuds, potatoes. As you can see, Spirit Boosters, I have a lot of hash browns in this little skillet, so it's gonna take me a little longer to get them done, but I'm tasting, and it do taste pretty good. This product tastes pretty good. Now I did, mind you, add some garlic, onion powder, and a little salt and some black pepper. I'm using vegetable oil to fry it. Just trying to get it crispy. I'll be back. Spirit boosters, this is my first time cooking this product, so I know the next time I won't put so much in the skillet. But I know one thing, it does taste good. Browning slowly. Thanks you guys for watching this little small snippet of me cooking some breakfast. Alright? Okay y'all, hey you guys, I'm on the balcony. This is my favorite little succulent tree right here. Spear boosters, this is my green onions I was telling y'all about. It's like about 4 of them that start to grow, that have started to grow, that are growing. And I have some celery stalk in there, right there in the center. It's growing too. You can see the new little leaves right here. Amazing. I forgot about that. I have a celery in here I cut off. This is my rubber tree, still hanging in there. It likes being in a shady, non-direct sunlight spot. I have my pothos, and moving the camera too fast. Creeping Charlie, look like it needs some water. The banana tree bush plant, the other plant, and this is a Santavere's. I forgot what it's called because I haven't been practicing with my plants as often as I used to. I'm not on the new phone because I'm still trying to learn how to use it. This is my old camera. That's the elephant bush y'all looking at. It's still bushy and wild. It looked like it's trying to grow over that burrow plant back there. Spider plant growing still. Fresh looking. I got a tree back there still growing. Trying to move slow. What I got, an aloe vera plant. This stuff has to be do maintenance. The sun is bright, ain't good for my skin, so I'm not gonna be out here but for a second. I don't know if y'all can see too good, but it's bright over there. That's what's going on over on that section. In that part of the balcony, stuff's just growing wild. I haven't trimmed. Maintenance never. But soon. Spirit boosters, this plant's still hanging in there. Let me turn it around. Look like it's doing okay. I need to transplant, repot this plant. Oh boy, here's one of my favorite plants right here. Oh wait, let me try to go slow before this camera cut off. Here is another. I think this is an elephant plant right here. I'm gonna cut this short because this camera about to cut off. Hope y'all enjoyed this little short segment of an unmanaged, non-maintenance. I got cut off because the camera's losing power. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm gonna put this in a video with my other video. It's just gonna be a combination. Enjoy it. I'll be back and do some more